Hello everyone, I wanted to share with you a dark lithium ion battery pack that I'm using with my Bushmule because it gives me the best flight performance out of this Bushmule, which is basically a battery hogger. The ESC and the motor combo is horrendous in sucking milliamps out of your battery pack. I was flying it with 35 milliamp, 35 milli 100 milliamp hour battery pack, and it was only lasting about 1 minute, 2 minutes or so. But this 8400 milliamp hour Lion pack gives me almost like anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes flight time. The other thing is that I've used now, I've converted my Bushmule with a FPV canopy, and additionally, I have added pan capability with a slide bar on my radio. I don't like using a head tracker because it's kind of a distracting and too many wires hanging off from your head. It's just kind of annoying. So I find the slider bar much more easier to control and fly a plane. So here's the video footage that almost about 8 to 9 minutes was flight time on this pack. And when I landed, I checked the battery was still 50% still left. So, you can easily fly this plane for 20 minutes with Lion pack from Dark Energy. This company is actually located in Missouri. I think they make these batteries in United States. So please do support US-based companies, manufacturers. By the way, the pack, I bought it on my own. I'm not really getting paid or any kind of monetized by the company. So I think it's fair to say that this is my own review, and I really like these packs because it gives me the best flight time. It's a 4 cell battery pack, um, 8400 milliamp hour. So some of you guys have asked me actually at the flying field that, hey, how come you fly with such a large pack? But if you look at the pack, it's really small and it's not that heavy. So that's why, I mean, the Bushmule can handle such a large pack. And it does seems nose heavy, but it flies great. And matter of fact, most of my planes are nose heavy. I feel much more comfortable flying planes that are nose heavy rather than tail heavy. So that's my advice to anyone who is getting into the hobby, especially in FPV. So enjoy the footage and do subscribe if you want to see other videos that are informative about this hobby. Have a wonderful flying.
Polska Agencja Artystyczna Pagart i Państwowe Przedsiębiorstwo Imprez Artystycznych Impart zapraszają Państwa na koncert zespołu będącego współtwórcą gatunku muzyki określanej jako rock etniczny. Propozycja: Polska Agencja Artystyczna Pagart i Państwowe Przedsiębiorstwo Imprez Artystycznych Impart zapraszają Państwa na koncert